welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and this is just going to be a quick unboxing and a demo of the Torras crystal clear TPU case for iPhones. I'm going to be demoing this on an iPhone Pro. This particular case is for iPhone 12 or iPhone 12 Pro, but they make the same case for the 12 mini as well as the 12 Pro Max. So you can get this case for whichever iPhone 12 you have. And yeah, that's it. So let's open this up, take a look at the case. It's very simple, clear case. You can see there, crystal clear they call it, and it is crystal clear, so it lets the color and style and design of your iPhone shine through. Now on the inside here, you're not going to be able to see this, I don't think, but it has sort of a textured, slightly textured, which is good, so it'll grip your phone well. Now on the corners here, you do have a tiny little, you can see that tiny little bump on that corner there. So if it hits the corner, there's like a little sort of an air cushion built in there to give it, since corners are the really bad places to hit, so a little extra cushion there. Other than that, it's just a standard TPU, very flexible, should be easy on and easy off. And I have the iPhone 12 Pro here, so we'll see how easy on and easy off it is. Just like that. Piece of cake. Easy to put it on, and you can see it's crystal clear. So that nice blue shading of the phone, you can see it through. Now this case does come in several different colors. And the colors are not this part. The colors are just on the border here, as well as the border around the camera, kind of metallic colors. But the back still stays clear. So that is a cool option as well. If you want to either accent a color that is like an accent color for your phone or that matches your phone, you can get this case with those colors, but just around the outside border. And then the back stays clear so that you can, you know, you paid all that money for the stylish iPhone and the color you want. Why would you want to hide that? And this crystal clear case allows that color to show through on all sides, or you can get the ones that have the metallic border on the just on the sides, top and bottom, but still allow the color of your phone to show through on the back. Now, if you look here, you'll see it is slightly, just ever so slightly raised around the edges. So if you were to lay your phone flat, your phone screen isn't actually touching anything because it's slightly, just ever so slightly raised. And you can see that. You have easy access to your buttons. You have a cutout here for the Do Not Disturb. Then you have covered buttons for the volume. Very easy, very nice click there. And then your power button, again, covered and very easy. Like using it with this on there is the same as with no case at all. So really good. Down on the bottom, you have all the appropriate cutouts for your charger as well as their speakers. Yeah, very nicely made. Again, you see those bumpers on the corner to protect your phone. Obviously, you try your best never to drop it, but if you do, you've got that little extra protection. So really nice case from Torras. Again, there's the company, Torras. Crystal clear case. Again, this particular one is for iPhone 12 or 12 Pro, but they also make the same case for the Pro Max as well as the Mini. And besides the full crystal clear, you can get the crystal clear that has the color on the sides. So whatever you're looking for, they've got it. Really excellent, simple case, easy on, easy off. As you can see, just like that. Anyway, excellent product by Torras, and if you have an iPhone 12, you're looking for a great case that allows the color to shine through, then definitely a case that I would recommend. It's going to be it for this review. I will have a link in the description below to this case on Amazon, so you can click that link, jump over there, read what other people have said about it, pick one up for yourself. Also, don't forget to click that like button, subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, keep up with future product reviews, and all that good stuff. Anyway, that's going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.